following message has been transmitted from the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. North Korea and Russia has sent nukes to Washington State, Oregon, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, Alabama, Alaska, Florida, North and South Carolina and Dakota, New York, Maryland, Rhode Island, and West Virginia. All residents must seek shelter immediately. The alliances and the United Nations are heading to kill North Korea and Russia. The members are Jabari the Gaming and Powerful Master, Christian the Creator 2K9, Overdrive Jared, Pluto, Josain the Creator 2K11 Blue EAS, Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Amy, Shadow, Sliver, Landon, Ethan, Dylan, Jasmine, Evelyn, Mason, Isaka Productions 2012. Stacy the Cutest Gunimizer, and many others. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.